Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing the center and exact radius. Measure R and place the center point. Once done, draw two perpendicular axes to define the quadrant limits, because a quarter circle is 1/4 of a full circle. Make sure to fix a compass or a string and pin setup to the radius so the arc will be precise. You'll want clear boundary marks where the axes meet the circle. These guide the first sweep and prevent drift as you begin the arc. You now draw the quarter circle arc. Anchor the compass firmly at the center, or keep the pin taut if using string. Start at one axis intersection and sweep to the opposite axis intersection in one continuous motion, because interruptions create irregularities. Maintain even pressure and a steady tempo so the curve is smooth. Once the arc is laid, check mid-arc points with a straight edge against the center to confirm uniform distance. If any section deviates, lightly erase and redraw that portion. To finish, darken the correct quarter arc and carefully erase construction axes and extra marks, because a clean outline makes measuring and cutting easy. If you notice wobble or a drifted segment, don't discard the work. Re-establish the exact center and redraw only the flawed portion with light strokes, then blend into the original. As a tip, make a cardboard or plastic template of your corrected quarter circle. If future attempts go wrong, use the template to trace a perfect arc quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.